na tayo. Okay. Ayoko na. Mami. Mami. Ayoko na magbalik sa Jinsan. Okay. Sa wakas. Sa wakas, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of our flight deck crew and by Captain John Nicole Nicolas and First Officer Dan Esguerra, together with your cabin crew team on this flight, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific Air as your airline of choice.
Ito guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance,
Suot ko muna kasi baka pagalitan tayo dito.
all passengers have declined. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Okay, see you. Bye.